Hello, today I'll be looking into Ajax, setting up Ajax request through JMeter. Uh, if you are familiar with a little bit of today's technology, then you might be aware that Ajax is taking a place in the market, and Ajax has become one of the leaders as far as development is concerned. So let me give you an example of Ajax using this public site. It's Zalando and it's a shopping site. Let's try one example on zalando.co.uk. So what I'm going to do is there is a search box over here. I'm going to type jeans, and then I click on find, and I get this page over here. So you can decide what kind of jeans you want, and then you can shop. Say I want a skinny fit jeans. This is obviously it's for ladies, but it does not matter as an example. So I shop for skinny fit jeans. Then this page opens up. I further go down and select any of these jeans, Levi's, or let me select this one. Okay. So now a page with add to bag and shopping cart comes up. So I have to select the size and then add it to the bag. So I select the size. I select the size as 24. Let me close this one. So select the size as 24 L into 32. Add to bag, then it gets added to the bag, and this adding to the bag is an Ajax operation that has got recorded. I have already recorded this one using JMeter. You can see this, it's an extension to Chrome. You can add it through the extensions in Chrome. Go to settings and go to extensions, and there you will find JMeter add-in. So it's pretty much it's very helpful in recording. With Bad Boy you can also do that, but Bad Boy I tried recording the same operations on Bad Boy, and it was getting stuck in between the recording process. So I tried this JMeter out and it worked out fine for me. So let's move over to JMeter now. I have imported okay. Another thing that I would like to tell you all is, once you complete the recording, you can go here and then for recording you click this red button. For that you must be signed on to JMeter site. I am already signed in, and then once you complete, you click this stop recording button, and after that this will be enabled, export to JMeter. So once you export, you will get a JMX file, and I have taken the file in already. I have taken the file in. So this is my JMX file, and it has all the requests as well as the responses. Let's I have added assertion results, view results in table and view results in tree, for you to get a feel of how it works out. And now let's run this recorded test. I have not done any changes except in the uniform time random timer I put zeros everywhere. This, notice. Now I'm going to run it. Let's see our results. Okay, running the test now. This takes time to run because it has many elements on the page which it tries to download, and then it runs the test. Okay, first has failed, second has failed. Let's see why it has failed, or otherwise we will have to rerun it. Okay, let's rerun it. Clear it. This happens once in a while. You will get a failure, so just rerun the test. There you go. The first has passed, second has failed, and now let's look at the third request. This does not matter for us because here we are going to see Ajax, and the Ajax requests are in the end, so we will concentrate in the ending part. Okay, I will pause the video and let this run. Okay, so now the test has completed. 4 of the requests have failed, but the request that we are going to look into has passed, and that's what we are lucky enough. So let me shift this window a little bit. Otherwise I will minimize this window and show it to you. We are going to see the request that is successful. Okay, so I opened the response data for the request that was last successful, and this request is generating the XSRF token for us, which is getting propagated, which should get propagated to the next request, which are, there are 2 requests that are using Ajax. One is this one and the other one is this one. Okay, so the way to do this, since we have a request over here that generates an XSRF token which is used by Ajax request. If you notice, let's see the XSRF token that is over here. Okay, it starts with LCV. If you go over here, okay, request. Okay, see here it is blank, nothing has come, and here also it is blank. So we need to fix this. In order to do this, we insert regular expressions at this point, and we extract the XSRF token in a variable and pass on that variable to the subsequent request, which are Ajax. So I already done these changes. I will show you the recorded the modified script for this. Okay, this is the modified script. Notice that I have put a regular expression extractor in the request that produces the XSRF token. This regular expression I have named as XSRF token, and I have extracted the value from the response data that was received, and it had xhal.xsrf token. The way you extract out the data is in this manner. Results tree. Okay, it has run till that step. Somehow the previous results got deleted, and if you notice the response data of the previous request which was generating the XSRF token for us was xal.xsrf token is equal to quotation and then there is a string. So the way you write the regular expression is given in my next test. I already made the changes. Let me show you the regular expression for that. Okay. Here is the regular expression. I named the regular expression as XSRF token. The regular expression starts with zal.xsrf token as we saw just now is equal to space single quotes bracket dot plus question mark bracket complete quote complete. This is the total regular expression, and dot stands for single character, question mark stands for one or more characters in that manner. So template is nothing but we take the first value that is present. Match number is it matches one value, and what should be the default value in case the XSRF token is not found in the response, then it's XSRF token not found. So let's go ahead and run this so that you will have a clear idea of what I am trying to explain here. Okay, eventually we got a successful result. Everything returned back from the server fine. So I will just expand these tabs here. If you notice, these two are the Ajax requests that we are looking for, where we have parameterized and where we have we are extracting the values from the regular expression that was generated over here in this request. So let's have a look at what values are getting generated here. In the request, the XSRF token is getting passed, and the same token is getting passed over here as well in the below request. See here, the XSRF token that was brought x2gg, it starts with x2gg. Let's see what we are getting here. x2gg. So it's the same token that has got passed to the Ajax request, the first Ajax request we looked at, and the second one also. So notice in the request tab it should have the same XSRF token that was, see, x2gg. It's the same one that was generated, and here also it should be the same one because we are using the same variable that is carrying the values. And in order to verify further that you got something back from the server, just go to the response data and you will find the JSON here, the response in the JSON format. Same case is with this one. So this is all about Ajax requests with JMeter, and if you have any further questions, just post your questions in the comment section. I am always ready to answer your queries, and do subscribe to my channel if you find this useful. Thank you. Bye bye.